Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Now that your class 12 exams are over, what will be your next course of action? You may be finding yourself at the crossroads with no idea on which way to turn. It's about making, or more appropriately, choosing your future career and life. Choosing the right course and college is the first step in chalking the career plan. There are many degrees like BA, BSc, BBA, BCom, BDes, MA, MSc, MCom, etc. in various subjects. Only you have to choose which degree you want to pursue and in which particular subject. It's crucial since after the choice is made, there will be no turning back. So in this video, I will talk about some of the best colleges providing undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma programs across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. In the app, you will get college information and career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions, subject-wise notes and question answers for classes 8 to 12, and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will get the app download link in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on Amity School of Fashion Technology or ASFT in Noida. Amity School of Fashion Technology or ASFT Noida is a part of Amity University. It offers professional education in the field of design, technology and management of fashion, textile and apparel industry. The objective of this program is to inculcate in the students the aptitude and skills to work as professionals in various functional areas of fashion and apparel industry. It has world-class infrastructure and dedicated faculty team comprising of regular and visiting or the industry faculty to offer various programs. ASFT has professionally qualified and experienced core and visiting faculty. They believe in a balanced mix of academicians, researchers and professionals with rich research and managerial experience. They contribute to enrich the quality of the courses offered to the students. Amity School of Fashion Technology has 19 in-house faculty members and 15 visiting faculty members. All of them are well experienced in their fields. The campus of the school is connected to a wireless network which helps students and the faculty members to access the internet throughout the campus. To enable the students to work on data analysis, pattern making and fabric designing, the school has a range of latest subject-specific software. Mannequins are also available there so that the students can explore their creativity potential related to the commercial aspect of visual display. The school organizes several activities such as seminars and talk shows by inviting professionals from various relevant industries, which allows students to interact with the industry professionals. Students who are in their final years are given an opportunity to showcase their work of graduation design collection as a formal presentation during Creative, which is an annual event of Amity School of Fashion Technology. Next we will talk about Amity School of Fashion Technology or ASFT Noida infrastructure and facilities. ASFT has a well-equipped library with the latest in-reference books, journals and magazines. The students also have access to the libraries of sister institutions approximating over 20,000 books, both Indian and foreign, scientific journals, magazines and periodicals covering technical and management subjects. This college has both boys hostel and girls hostel. In the sports complex, available facilities are basketball court, cricket ground, football ground, horse riding, athletics, boxing, volleyball court, shooting and hockey ground. Available labs facilities are computer lab, garment construction lab, textile testing lab and fabric manufacturing lab. This college also has design studio, cafeteria, gym, hospital and medical facilities, Wi-Fi campus, shuttle service, auditorium and AC classrooms. So let's talk about this college's courses. Amity School of Fashion Technology offers B-Days program at the UG level in 4 specializations with a duration of 4 years each, except for B-Days in Fashion Design 3 Continent. This course is of 3 years duration, wherein for 1 semester students can study in the USA or the UK. At the PG level, the school offers MA, MDes and MDA programs with a duration of 2 years each. Additionally, PhD program is offered in 2 specializations with a duration of 4.5 years each. For B-Days in Fashion Communication, Fashion Technology, Textile Design, Fashion Design and Fashion Design 3 Continent, the eligibility criteria is English language test and creative test and a minimum of 50% aggregate in class 12 from a recognized board. Amity School of Fashion Technology is engrossed in offering various PG programs in the field of fashion design, namely MA, MDes and MBA. Selection to MA and MDes programs is based on the written exam followed by a PI round. However, admission to MBA is subject to a candidate score in CAT or XAT or MAT or CMAT or GMAT or MAT written test exams. For MA in Fashion Retail Management and Fashion and Textile Merchandising, eligibility criteria is MAT written test and a minimum of 50% aggregate in graduation from a recognized university. For MDes in Fashion and Textiles, eligibility criteria is MAT written test and graduation in fashion or textile design with at least 50% aggregate. For MBA in Fashion Management, eligibility criteria is MAT or GMAT or CMAT or CAT or XAT or NMAT or MAT written test and passed bachelor's with at least 50% aggregate from a recognized university. Apart from the regular UG and PG level programs, Amity School of Fashion Technology offers a PhD program in 2 specializations with a duration of 3 years each. For admission, candidates are required to fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria set by the school. Selection process of the PhD program is based on the video response to the questions posted through a video link available in the admission website by Amity School of Fashion Technology. For PhD in Fashion Management, eligibility criteria is a minimum of 55% aggregate in master's degree in fashion design or fashion technology or management with specializations in fashion or textile design and technology or merchandising or fashion communication from any accredited Indian or foreign university in the relevant field. Let's talk about the fees. For the B.Days courses, total fees is around rupees 6.4 lakhs to rupees 11.84 lakhs depending on the specialization. For MA, total fees is rupees 1.30 lakhs. For MDes in Fashion and Textiles, total fees is rupees 2.6 lakhs. For MBA in Fashion Management, total fees is rupees 6.8 lakhs. For PhD, total fees is rupees 1.5 lakhs. The success of any institute can be gauged by the various organizations where its alumni have had training or are working. There are several reputed organizations where the alumni of Amity School of Fashion Technology have either had their summer internships or final placements or have received these offers of placements. Top recruiters are Aman Atlantic, Pearl Global, One Design, Manish Arora, Arrow, Pantaloons, Provogue, V-Mart Retail Private Limited and Woodlands. So friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college.